Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video, I am sharing with you how to make the best soya milk, the one that can last long without spoiling. I'm using soya beans. I'll pick out any dirt from the soya beans. I'll transfer the soya beans inside a large bowl. Add water. And stir. I'll cover and soak the soya beans for at least 6 hours or overnight. After 6 hours, the soya beans is soaked and the soya beans has doubled in size. I'm going to rinse the soya beans. Next, I'll transfer the soya beans inside the pot. Add water. I'll cook the soya beans for 10 to 15 minutes. Cooking the soya beans before blending it prevents the soya milk from spoiling fast. After 10 minutes, I will strain and rinse the soya beans. I'll transfer the soya beans inside the blender. Add water. I'll cover the blender and blend it into a smooth paste. I'll transfer the blended soya beans inside a large bowl. The soya beans is very smooth, and I'll set that aside. I'll be using a nut bag. I'll add the blended soya beans inside the nut bag. Add water. I'll tie the bag. And squeeze out the milk. Soya beans pulps can be used for other recipes. I'll transfer the soya milk inside a pot and boil it on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll stir it constantly so it doesn't boil over or get burnt. When it boils, there will be a skin on top. I'll remove the skin. You can also stir it into the milk as well. The soya milk is ready. I'll turn off the stove and leave it to cool a bit. I'll transfer the soya milk inside a strainer and strain it again so the milk can be very clean. And this step is very easy because there are no more pulps in it. I'll flavor the soya milk with vanilla extract. You can use any flavor of your choice. Add a little bit of salt. I'll sweeten it with sugar. You can use any sweetener of your choice. And stir. You can taste and adjust the taste if needed. I'll use these bottles to store the soya milk. The bottles are clean. The soya milk is ready. Just look at how beautiful this looks. You can do this for business. If you're going to be selling the soya milk, you can put a label on the bottles, or you can even sell the soya milk without any label on the bottles. I'll put the soya milk in the fridge, and the soya milk can last up to 5 days in the fridge. The soya milk tasted very delicious and it was also refreshing. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.